Cold and cough. The common cold is a viral infection of your nose and throat. It's usually harmless. Many types of viruses can cause common cold. Symptoms: runny or stuffy nose, sore throat, cough, congestion, slight body aches or a mild headache, sneezing, low grade fever, generally feeling unwell. What food eat during cold? Chicken noodle soup, hot tea, yogurt. Cold and cough prevention. Wash your hands, take care of your gut, avoid sick people, cover your cough.